Okay. Okay, my dears, one of the main thing in all universities, they will be have association, community of graduates or alumni association. So you must to join for this association. We already have in website one page where we have all information about you. Okay. Now ma'am is saying, do you have any recommendations? We must to make plan of alumni. How many times you must organize meeting with recommendations? It can be one time in 6 months or maybe 2 times in 1 year means. We'll be make list and send link about you information, everything. And will be special community or council of graduates, alumni. So last time I was talking with Deepakster and choosing Mr. Sul Ganesh like head of this alumni. But between you can talk if you want to give any name, like head who will do control and organizing of meetings. Okay. So do you have any idea about this recommendations?
No, we don't have any idea.
In every university they have this community. Okay. So we must to organize this community. We need help. And of course, the 17 graduates will be members of this community for now, and then summertime will be 24 more, and it will be grow every year with new graduates. So, any recommendations about organizing this community, our council, association? Adabala, you want to say something? You can do on your mic and say something if you have any idea. Jitendra, Bama.
Встреча вот
Shakul Hamid.
So I got to know like the people from the students from Philippines are having good clinical means like knowledge and everything because they are having clinical postings more than our country.
Okay. So you recommend to increase hours for clinical preparation?
Yeah, I think.
Филиппиндан келген студенттердің клинический подготовкасы күчтүүрөөк экен, потому что сааты көп экен дейт. Ошого фокусироваться этиш керек. Биз менен салыштырганда алар күчтүүрөөк чыгып атат дейт. Филиппиндин школасында клиника ориентированный обучение күчтүү экен, сааты көп экен деп айтып атат. Thank you. So anything more, please? Mama? You're thinking very long, tell something now.
Сейчас они все с родителями тоже.
You stay in your own houses or are you in New Delhi now? In a hotel or somewhere? Hostel? You preparing for FMG at home or where?
No, we are in academia in other cities. I'm in center in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Other cities.
Okay. Rama, at home or?
I'm in hostel, sir. Right now I'm in Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Oh, Milind. Good morning, Milindji.
Milind in academy.
Экзамен тапшырып чакта буларда ушун дополнительный подготовительный школалар бар, ошакта жашашат. Экзамен тапшырып чыгып кеткенден кийин артына карта койсо аякта барып жашат. Үйүнө жетишпейт скоро.
У меня предложение. WhatsApp группа, телефон всегда меняется. Давайте создать алюмни группа, регистрация болсун, ссылка таштайлы, и сайт кадагы группа возможно. Facebook, наверное, удобно. Фейсбука группа создать. Скоро у нас вот 5-й курс еще выпуск будет, всех нужно регистрировать.
Okay. Nurgul ma'am is recommended to open one page of Facebook about alumni. But because in WhatsApp you're changing your numbers, then after we cannot find you. So if you open one account of Facebook for alumni, you must do what? Follow?
Куда они хотят? Или Instagram хотят?
Which one will be more comfortable, Instagram or Facebook?
Instagram.
Sir, no one is using Facebook nowadays, sir.
Instagram is the future.
So then we will open one our alumni page in Instagram, okay? And you can post it there
Okay,
about your experience, others, and so it will be good. Okay, soon it will be shared to group. Please follow this because in WhatsApp, of course, will be change our numbers, other. So always we want to communication between our graduates, okay?
И просьба, да, вот создать им группу в Инстаграм. Пусть они тоже свою жизнь, свою подготовку публикуют.
So,
чтобы живой был Инстаграм.
Okay.
Предложений больше, кроме клинико-ориентированного обучения.
So, anything more about this clinical orientation class? Okay, we done. Anything more? And when this patient just push.
That is called JAIU. That is also final question. Because
everything was very good over there,
question,
sir. Among the three
been
transferred
answered
university, your
FLG
university
so
was
far,
there.
but they can ask you this.
Now, goodbye.
It is
Ram
not
Ram.
So, Bama, anything, please? Yes.
Sir, if I have anything, I will text you, sir.
Done. Thank you. Oyma bir nasıl gelse cazandı. Goku.
Не dedi?
Yes, sir.
Recommendations. Any recommendations? We must be focusing on what?
Just my recommendation is for the students that they should study from the beginning of the days, because after coming here is so much mentally pressure. So that's only the recommendation. And for about the university, sir, I took transfer from many universities, and I felt that your university is best. They help us. After coming here also, they helped us many times. So everything was best.
Thank you very much.
And you especially, sir, you are very good.
Thank you personally. Thank you very much. Başından oşu harинчер алып туруп адаптивдеп окутуш керек экен бул жака келгенде бир аз кыйыныраак болуп атат дейт адаптация дейт. Анан мен 3-4 университетке перевод алып келип акыры бирден бүткөм дейт. Сравнительно там все равно лучше, чем в других вузах. И поддержка жок и там дейт. Азыр Жипаксер буларга координация кылып акты жардам берип атат. То есть после окончания тоже координация болуп атат. Действительно помогает, очень хорошо.
То есть это можно понять как предложение, что как благодарность, что у нас идет сопровождение.
Да. So, anything more, my dears? We don't want to take your time because you're focusing on your preparation for your exam. So, please, Sahul Hamid.
Nothing, sir.
Thank you. Goodbye.
You have any idea?
This was the legend.
Thank you.
So, then, from administration of Jalal-Abad International University, want to wish success in your preparation and in your exams, which one you're preparing, and they will hopefully dreams will come true. You will make them proud, your parents, your university, and you will become good doctors. So all the best, my dear colleagues will say now. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Goodbye,
Thank you,
and
sir.
good luck, and thank you for time, and we'll hope.
Goodbye, sir. Take care of your
Goodbye,
health.
sir.
Yeah.
And we'll be meeting you one more time after
Yeah.
passing the FMG exams.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. Sure. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
sir.
Have a good day. Thank you.
Goodbye.
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 Goodbye. Thank you. So, thank you.